Welcome to the Mint Report, a wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Bharti Airtel reports some of its worst quarterly numbers. IBM India reveals focus areas for the future. And markets fall for a 9th day in a row. We start with Bharti Airtel, which has announced some of its worst ever earnings. India's biggest telecom company reported a 31.5% drop in fourth quarter profits to 1,400 crores. That fall occurred despite a 51% revenue growth to 16,266. The increase in revenue came mostly from Airtel's African operations, which accounted for some 4,200 crores. So what's caused the fall in Airtel's profits? For one, a lot of money has gone into introducing 3G and data services. And Airtel's continuing rebranding exercises has also eaten into its profits. But the major factor hurting Airtel is its African business. Losses from the continent were at 416 crores in the fourth quarter, and average revenue per user fell 3% during the quarter. But Airtel isn't deterred. Its head of international operations, Manoj Kohli, said they could relaunch 3G services in 7 countries and launch those services afresh in 3 others. But investors reacted badly to Airtel's earnings. Shares of the firm lost 3.25% on the BSE on a day overall markets also fell. Also on Thursday, IBM India announced grand plans for the future as part of its 100-year celebrations. Managing Director Shankar Annaswamy said the company would focus on areas like cloud computing, analytics and next-generation data centers. Some 25% of all IBM employees are estimated to be in India, though the company does not reveal exact numbers. In other news, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee has warned rising oil prices could sharply cut the country's growth. Mukherjee said that if crude prices remained at elevated levels, controlling inflation and maintaining growth would become difficult. Oil was at a 32-month high in April, though it has come down since. And there's no sign of recovery for Indian markets. They fell for a 9th day in a row on Thursday, making this the longest losing streak in a decade. The Sensex plunged 259 points to 18,211 and the Nifty tumbled 77 to 5,460. Shares across sectors lost ground on growing fear that borrowing costs are about to go up. And as a result, lenders were among the worst hit. ICICI Bank plummeted 2.82% to 1,028 and HDFC Bank fell 2.14 to 2,212. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.